How to change maximum number of attendees in Microsoft bookings. So in this video, I'll show you how to change the maximum number of attendees in Microsoft bookings. So to change the maximum number of attendees in Microsoft bookings, go ahead and edit the service settings and update the maximum number of attendees field to your desired value. So go ahead and open Microsoft bookings first and then select the booking page where you want to change the maximum number of attendees to. So for example, I want to change the maximum number of attendees to the meetings booking page. So in here, head over into the services tab and then go ahead and select a service where you want to change the maximum number of attendees to. Click on this pencil icon to edit this service. Scroll down into this section, and as you can see, since this area is grayed out, this means that this area is an individual service, so you cannot set the maximum number of attendees in here since this meeting has been set to an individual appointment. So what you can do now is to go ahead and create a new service and then set the service name for here. Set this to sample number 2, and then create a description for this, and then add the location if you want to. You can also enable add online meeting if it is an online meeting, and then set the duration of this specific appointment, the price, set notes, and then in here you can go ahead and set the maximum number of attendees. So for example, the maximum number of attendees that you want to be 12, set it to 12, and then click on the Save Changes button. Now let's try editing this entry. So click on this edit button, scroll down, and as you can see, since this has been set into a group appointment, you can simply change the maximum number of attendees. Now, if you have set that specific service into one only, you cannot change it since it would be set to a one-on-one appointment. And that is how you can basically change the maximum number of attendees in Microsoft bookings. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.